Welcome to our video showcasing the 10 best vintage cars available on Facebook Marketplace under $10,000. In this video, we take a look at some of the most unique and affordable classic cars you can find online. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for your first vintage ride, these options are sure to catch your eye. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of vintage cars on Facebook Marketplace. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to be the first to see the most profitable cars on the market. Number 1. This 1967 Ford Thunderbird offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. With only 70,000 miles on its odometer and featuring a striking yellow exterior and a comfortable original interior, this vintage car is a true gem. The vehicle has been stored in a secure garage for over 3 decades, making it a perfect candidate for restoration. The car is powered by a reputable FE Block 394 BBL engine, which is paired with dual exhaust, a sturdy C6 automatic transmission, a powerful 9-inch rear end, and dependable power disc front brakes. While the engine has not been used in some time, it still turns smoothly, providing ample opportunities for customization and revitalization. Additionally, the functional brakes offer peace of mind and confidence when driving this iconic car. At an attractive price point of $3,500, this 1967 Ford Thunderbird presents a compelling investment opportunity for those interested in restoring a beloved piece of automotive history. As work progresses, the price may change, so acting quickly is recommended to avoid missing out on this extraordinary chance. Embrace the thrill of classic car restoration and join the ranks of enthusiasts who have preserved America's rich motoring tradition. Contact the seller today to learn more about this remarkable vehicle and make it yours. Number 2. Are you looking for a classic car that can turn heads? Look no further than this stunning 1982 Lincoln Continental, available for just $3,500. This beautiful tan exterior and matching tan interior create a luxurious atmosphere that will transport you back in time. With 132,087 miles driven, this car has seen some use but remains in excellent condition overall. The automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting, and the fuel type is gasoline, making it easy to maintain. Plus, since the car is already paid off, there are no additional financial obligations to worry about. While the car runs and drives well, there are a few minor issues that need attention. The brakes require bleeding, and there was one instance where someone accidentally hit the car while it was parked. However, these problems are easily fixed, and the car comes with good tires and a small dent on the driver's side. Despite these minor flaws, the interior of this Lincoln Continental is in excellent condition, with everything working perfectly on the dashboard. The lights come on without issue, and the car is ready to go whenever you are. Overall, this 1982 Lincoln Continental is a great buy for anyone looking for a classic car that needs a little TLC. With its luxurious design and affordable price tag, this car is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Contact the seller today to schedule a test drive and make this beautiful car your own. Number 3. Introducing the iconic 1967 Ford Mustang, currently up for grabs at an irresistible price of $5,000. With its bold red exterior and matching red interior, this beauty is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Powered by an inline-6 automatic engine, this classic Mustang boasts an impressive driving history with 142,000 miles under its belt. It may be a dream come true for those seeking a project car, as it runs and drives despite requiring some tender, loving care. The current owner proudly states that the vehicle is paid off and has recently undergone several updates, including new tires, brake components, and even a fresh starter. While there are minor issues such as a transmission leak and brakes needing to be bled, these challenges only add to the allure of owning a piece of automotive history. The windows and seats require attention, while the front fender sports a full coat of filler. The rear quarter and door skin have been replaced, making this Mustang a work in progress rather than a lost cause. Missing trunk lock cylinders and interior trim pieces are just a few of the many details that make this 67 Mustang a unique find. So if you're ready to embark on an exciting journey filled with restoration projects and endless possibilities, then look no further. This classic Mustang awaits your touch. Number 4. I am thrilled to present to you this stunning 1962 Ford Thunderbird, currently up for grabs for just $9,000. With only 88,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty is a true gem that has been well maintained and cared for over the years. The exterior of this Thunderbird is a dazzling white, which contrasts beautifully with the newly reupholstered blue interior. The seats have been professionally redone and look as if they just rolled off the showroom floor. The dashboard is in good condition, with only minor wear and tear that adds to the car's vintage charm. Under the hood, you'll find a reliable engine that fires up and runs great. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, making this car perfect for cruising down the highway or taking a leisurely drive through the countryside. Now, I must mention that this Thunderbird is currently in the middle of being sanded for paint, so it's the perfect project car for anyone who loves a good restoration. The seller has included tons of extra parts, including spare panels and a complete front-end suspension kit, so you'll have everything you need to make this car truly your own. It's worth noting that the transmission does leak, and a rebuild is recommended. However, this is a small price to pay for a car that has so much potential. With a little TLC, this Thunderbird could be transformed into a show-stopping masterpiece. Overall, this 1962 Ford Thunderbird is a fantastic investment for anyone who loves classic cars. It's a rare find that has been well preserved and cared for, and with a little bit of work, it could be restored to its former glory. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Number 5. I present to you a true classic, the 1984 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S430. This beauty is currently up for grabs at an unbeatable price of $3,000. With 250,000 miles on the odometer, this car has proven its reliability and durability. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, while the diesel fuel type offers excellent fuel efficiency. The exterior of this car is a stunning shade of green, which is complemented perfectly by the beige interior. Although the clear coat is fading, the body is incredibly straight and all exterior trim is present. The interior may need some TLC as the seats show signs of wear and tear, and some trim parts need to be replaced. However, all power windows, including the sunroof, are still in working condition. This car was daily driven for 20 years and has been sitting since 2018. The current owner has put in a new battery, bled the brakes, and done an oil and filter change, ensuring that this car is running and driving. The tires are holding air fine, but it's recommended to get new rubber as soon as possible. This car is perfect for the right enthusiast who is looking for a project. It comes with 2 spare rims, making it an excellent investment for someone who wants to restore it to its former glory. The seller is open to offers and trades for German cars, making it an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to add a classic Mercedes to their collection. In summary, this 1984 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S430 is a fantastic car that has stood the test of time. With a little bit of love and care, it can be restored to its former glory. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Contact the seller today and make this classic Mercedes yours. Number 6. I present to you a rare gem, a 1965 Ford Falcon 200 straight 6, currently up for sale at a reasonable price of $4,000. This beauty has been driven only 50,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it a smooth ride for any driver. The exterior of the car is a pristine white, while the interior boasts a bold red color that is sure to turn heads. The car comes with a clean Arkansas title and was originally purchased in Bentonville. It's the perfect project car for anyone looking to restore a classic while still being able to drive it. The seller has made it clear that this car is not a daily driver just yet, but with some TLC, it has the potential to be. It currently leaks and needs some work, but that's all part of the fun of owning a classic car. The seller is only showing the car to serious buyers on Saturdays, so don't miss your chance to own this piece of automotive history. It's important to note that this car does not have air conditioning, power steering, or cruise control, but that's all part of the charm of a 60-year-old car. If you're looking for a unique project car that you can drive while you fix it up, this 1965 Ford Falcon is the perfect choice. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Number 7. I present to you a true classic, a 1968 Volkswagen Beetle that is currently up for sale for $8,500. This beauty has undergone a 90% restoration in 2016 by its previous owner, making it a super solid vehicle that is mechanically sound. The exterior of this Beetle is a stunning red color, with a glass-out matte red paint job that is sure to turn heads. The interior is a clean off-white color, providing a comfortable and stylish ride. The car has automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it a practical choice for everyday use. One of the best things about this Beetle is that it has no significant damage or problems. The 1600 dual-port motor has been completely rebuilt, ensuring that it starts, runs, drives, and stops as it should. Additionally, the car comes with a new battery and new tires, so you can hit the road with confidence. This vehicle is also paid off and comes with a clean and clear FL title, giving you peace of mind when it comes to ownership. Overall, this 1968 Volkswagen Beetle is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish classic car. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Number 8. I am thrilled to present to you this stunning 1953 Buick Special, currently up for sale at an unbeatable price of $5,000. This rare and solid two-door hardtop is a true gem that will turn heads wherever you go. The exterior of this beauty is a vibrant red that has been well maintained, and it boasts a clean title. The interior is in fantastic shape with only minor attention needed here and there. The 263 straight-8 engine is reportedly rebuilt and ready to roar. Although the transmission is missing, fear not. A rebuild kit is included in the sale, so you can easily find and install a new one. Now I know what you're thinking. What about rust? Well, this Buick does have 2 spots of major rust, but the seller has thoughtfully included patch panels for both areas. Plus, there's an extra car available for additional parts, so you'll have everything you need to get this baby back in tip-top shape. The seller recently purchased this car, but has unfortunately run into serious medical issues and won't be able to build it. That means this incredible opportunity is now available to someone who can. Don't miss your chance to own this rare and very solid Buick Special. With its automatic transmission, clean title, and fantastic interior, this car is truly a steal at this price. Contact the seller today and make this beauty yours. Number 9. I present to you a true gem of automotive history, the 1952 Buick Special. This stunning blue beauty has been driven for 93,500 miles and is still going strong with its automatic transmission. It's a 72-year-old survivor that has been well loved and maintained over the years. The exterior is a beautiful shade of blue that is sure to turn heads, while the interior is in good condition as well. This car runs on gasoline and has a clear Maryland title in the seller's name. It's important to note that as a survivor car, it does have some rust and a crack in the front windshield, as well as various other imperfections. However, these minor flaws only add to its character and charm. This Buick Special is perfect for those who appreciate the beauty and craftsmanship of classic cars and are willing to put in a little work to keep it running smoothly. It's a great project car for anyone who loves to tinker and restore old vehicles. At just $4,500, this car is an absolute steal for anyone looking to add a classic Buick to their collection. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Leave your number and the seller will give you a call. Please note that "Is it available?" messages will be ignored, so be sure to ask a real question if you're interested in learning more about this amazing car. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Number 10. I present to you a classic 1984 Buick Lesabre Custom, currently up for sale at a reasonable price of $3,800. This beauty has been driven for 95,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior and interior are both in a stunning blue color that is sure to turn heads. This vehicle is fully paid off and comes with a clean title, so you won't have to worry about any hidden fees or issues. The current owner has been using it as their daily driver and can attest to its reliability. Despite some minor imperfections, this car has a solid frame with only minor rot on the body and doors. It has never let the owner down and can get you from point A to B without any problems. In the past year, the owner has replaced the tires, cap and rotor, spark plug wires, spark plugs, headlights, and has kept up with regular oil changes. However, it's worth noting that the car does need a new windshield, occasionally bogs down in second gear, and could use a new oil pan gasket. The blower motor makes some noise and the shocks may need to be replaced as well. Despite these minor issues, this 1984 Buick Lesabre Custom is a great option for anyone looking for a daily driver or winter beater. It's one of the last of the full-sized Lesabres, and with some TLC, it can be a fantastic car. The owner has driven it all over the place, including on the highway at 75 miles per hour without any issues. So if you're in the market for a classic car that won't break the bank, this Buick Lesabre is definitely worth considering.